because this is absolutely insane. I had no idea that it was gonna be this beautiful today. Literally zero idea. And to top it off, there's a rainbow over there, and I'll show you guys right now. I think it's just so beautiful. Goodness, get outside that 2 to 3 hour radius zone. I am telling you guys, look. I hope that the camera picks it up. Do you guys see it? My goodness, it is a good day in the hills today. My goodness, that rainbow. It's like hot pink. Oh my God, it's getting brighter. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I low-key want to cry. What a fantastic day. I am so thankful that I am able to do this. Granted, I waste a lot of gas, but that is a sacrifice I am willing to make every single time.